one case that baffled me was it came through late in 2014. It was we got a message, a call from the police saying half of a man's face has been found outside a train, and when I mean outside, actually stuck to the passenger windows of an intercity train. And I mean, of course, the police spent about 6 months trying to establish the identity of the man. Couldn't find it. They spoke to every passenger on that train traveling from Uttar Pradesh to Mumbai. No one had seen anything. Strangely, no one had reported seeing what had happened. In the end, I think the best theory, from what they said, is that there's a passenger standing on the outside on the door, and maybe an electricity pole hit him while the train was going at full speed, and it's a blood and ghost story, which I guess people love these days. So there's huge blood spatter, and at high speed, half of his face breaks off. The body flies somewhere on the tracks, which in the end they didn't find, and half of his face gets stuck on the outside of the door. Apparently, people are so horrified that someone pulls the train shut. They ask it to stop, and people just go out, just leave the train. So that, and in the end, there were very few witnesses. The police didn't get it. They closed the case. I obviously didn't get it. Every reporter chasing it didn't get it. And yeah, I mean, I always wanted to know, but I guess there is no answer to who that man is, what happened.